What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and run Jupyter Notebook on your Windows PC. Jupyter Notebook is an essential tool when writing or executing Python code, particularly in data science and machine learning projects. First, we need to install Python, as Jupyter Notebook requires Python to run. Head over to python.org/downloads and download the latest version of Python. Make sure to check the box labeled Add Python to Path during the installation. This is crucial for ensuring that Python commands can run from the command prompt. Once installed, you can verify the installation by opening command prompt and typing "-version". This will show the latest version of Python on your system. With Python installed, the next step is to install Jupyter Notebook. Open command prompt and use the pip install notebook command to install Jupyter using pip, Python's package manager. This will download and install all necessary files and dependencies. The installation may take a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Jupyter Notebook by typing Jupyter Notebook. This command will open Jupyter Notebook in your default web browser. You will be taken to the Jupyter dashboard, where you can create and manage your notebooks. To update Jupyter Notebook in the future, you can use the command pip install --upgrade notebook. This keeps Jupyter up to date with the latest features and bug fixes. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.